So yesterday, we started with regular expressions, right? So what is this regular expressions? So the regular expressions are, so it is very much useful. Okay, this is very much useful in application development. This regular expressions are very much useful in application development. So regular expressions are the same thing. You can call it as which one here? RE module. Regular expression or the same thing is called as which module here? RE module is there. RE module means regular expression module. So what is the regular expressions and what is the use of regular expressions here? So what is regular expression? So first you have to understand what is regular expression. So your regular expression defines what is a dear search pattern. What is regular expression? Regular expression define search pattern. It will define one pattern. It will define which pattern here? Search pattern. Okay, see here. Regular expression defines what here? Search pattern. It defines the pattern. Or you can say define the pattern. Okay, define the pattern. So regular expression define the search pattern or it defines what here? One pattern. So this pattern is used. This pattern is used for searching. Okay, this pattern is used for searching or matching. Okay, replacing. Okay, replacing or what is that? Splitting. Okay, this pattern is used for searching, matching, replacing, or splitting. Or splitting, what is that? String. Replacing or splitting the string. So this pattern is used for searching, matching, replacing, or what is that? Splitting the string. So that is done by using which one here? Regular expression. So regular expression defines search pattern or program. This pattern is used for searching, matching, replacing, or what is that? Splitting. So it means this regular expression define one pattern. Using this pattern, you can search this pattern within what here? String. You want to search the pattern within the string. You can do that by using which one? Regular expression. So regular expression is used, or regular expressions are used to search pattern within string. Regular expressions are used to search pattern within string. You are searching the pattern. What you are doing? You are searching the pattern within the string. Regular expressions are used to search pattern within the string. You are searching the pattern within the string by using which one here? Regular expression. To search the pattern within the string. It is used to search pattern within the string. Okay. So what are the applications? What are the applications of regular expression? Where these regular expressions are used? For validations, input validations. Okay, input validations means, like example is, so username validation, mobile number validation, mobile number validation, okay, mobile number validation, okay, date and time validation, date and time validation, okay, email validation. So all these kind of validations you can do it by using what? Regular expressions. And regular expressions, okay, regular expressions also used in regular expressions also used in developing which one? Chatbots. Chatbots are the part of which one? AI, artificial intelligence. So what will happen in chatbots? Chatbot is a program. It is a charting application. So it means you are charting with one robot. You are charting with one robot. So there will not be any person. If you open certain websites, you find what? Chatbots. So where you will type one message, and within that message, it will search one pattern, and based on the pattern, it will try to give out response. Okay. So it is used in developing which one? Chatbots. Now this chatbots is a part of which one here? Artificial intelligence. Chatbots is a part of which one? Artificial intelligence. So it is used in chatbots. It is used for input validations like username validation, password validation, mobile number validation, date time validation, email validation, chatbots. And not only that, it is also used for, so it is used in developing, okay, developing which one? Parsers. Developing parsers, or what is that? Translators. Okay, developing parsers or developing which one? Translators. Okay, language parsers or language translators. Even you do that by using what here? Regular expressions. And regular expressions even used by what is that here? Operating systems. For example, if I'm working with the operating system like Windows or DOS, for example, if I say dir, dir means what? Listing the directory. Dir means what? You are listing the dir means listing the complete directory. Okay. Suppose if I say dir, so what this dir will do is it will list all the files. So is it listed all the files or not? Yes. So dir is listed all the files, but I don't want to list all the files. I want to list only the files whose file names start with what here? S. Okay, I want to list only the files whose file names start with what here? S. So what I'm doing here, dir s star. If I'm saying dir s star, so this is one pattern, right? S star means I want to list all the files whose name start with what here? S, followed by any number of characters. So this is one pattern, right? This is one pattern used by which one? Operating system. This is one pattern used by the operating system for searching what? Files. This is one pattern used by operating system for searching what? Patterns. Okay. So you are searching all the files whose file name start with what here? S. You are searching all the files whose file name start with what here? S. So where you said dir and what is that? Star. Ring honor. So it is used by which one? Operating systems, developing parsers or translators, and it is used in chatbots, which are the part of artificial intelligence, and developing some searching tools. It is used for developing certain searching tools will be there. For example, if you take some editors, in editors you find some searching tools, and you may search the content within the file based on some patterns. Even that you can do it by using which one? Regular expression. So all these are the applications. All these are applications of which one? Regular expressions. Okay. Yes. So if you want to work with a regular expression, you are using which module? RE module. So what is regular expression? I say no, regular expression defines what here? Search pattern. Regular expression is nothing but one search pattern, or it is what here? Pattern. And this pattern is used for searching, matching, replacing, or what? Splitting the string. It means you'll be searching this pattern within the string, or you are matching whether this pattern is matched with this particular string, and you may replace this pattern within the string. You try to split it by using what? Pattern. Okay. So regular expressions are used to search pattern within what? Stringer. And if you see the applications of regular expression, so regular expressions are used for input validations, like example, username validation, password validation, mobile number validation, date time validation, email validations. All these validations, you can do it by using what? Regular expression. And it is used in artificial intelligence, and it is used in developing which one? Language parsers or what? Translators. It is used by operating system, and it is also used for developing which tools? Searching tools. So all these are the applications of what here? Regular expressions or RE module. So RE module. So module, RE module comes with RE module. RE module comes with what here? Python software. RE module comes with what here? Okay. It is a default module. It is a default module which comes with is a default module which comes with software here? Python software. I don't require to install this. I don't require to install this. Okay. It is comes with software? Python software. I don't require to install this. I don't require to install this. It comes with software here? Python software only. I don't require to install this. It comes with the Python software. Okay. It comes with the Python software. I don't require to install this. Okay. Yes. Please try to understand this. Okay. Why we are using regular expressions. Please try to understand why we are using regular expressions here. Right. So our module comes with the Python software. It is a default module which comes with what here? Python software. Okay, now RE module, RE module provides, RE module provides the following functions. Okay, it will provide the following functions to perform certain operations, like you have a functions like, yes. So these are the functions which are provided by RE module. Okay, these are the functions which are provided by RE module here. So what are the functions provided by RE module? So just to see here, you can see regular expression, operations. And if you see RE module, it provides some functions. So what are the functions it provided? The first one is called as compile. First one is what here? Compile. So what is the first function it provides is compile. So what compile will do is, it will return, compile is a function, compile is a function, re.compile. Compile is a function. What is compile here? Compile is a function, and compile a regular expression pattern into a regular expression, what here? Object. Compile a regular expression pattern into a regular expression object, which can be used for matching using its match, search, and what other methods. Means if you want to create a regular expression pattern, you can create a regular expression pattern using what? Compile. You can create in different ways, but one way of creating a regular expression pattern is what? Compile. So there is one more function is there, and what is that function is? I'll tell you search also. What is that function is? Okay, match is there. Match, re dot match. So if 0 or more, so there is a function called match. Okay, re dot match. Okay, 0 or more characters at the beginning of the string match the regular expression pattern. So return a corresponding which object here? Match object. Return none if the string does not match. If the string does not match what here? Pattern. See here. 0 or more characters at the beginning of the string match the regular expression pattern. 0 or more characters at the beginning of the string match a regular expression pattern. If it is match a regular expression pattern, it will return which object here? Match object. If it is match, it will return the match object. If it doesn't match, what it returns here? None. If this pattern is there within this string, okay, it will return none. If it is there, if this pattern is there within this string, it will return which object? Match object. If this pattern is not there within the string, it will return what? None. If this pattern is there within the string, it will return which object? Match object. If this pattern is not there within the string, it will return which object? None object. If this pattern is there within the string, it will return which object? Match object. If this pattern is not there within the string, it will return what? None. So where it will search for this pattern? It will search for this pattern only at the beginning of the string. Where it will search for this pattern in the string only at the beginning. It will search for this pattern within the string only at the beginning. It will search for this particular pattern within the string only at what here? Beginning of the string. It will search only at the beginning of the string. If it is there, it will return match object. Otherwise, it will return what? None. Just to see here, I am writing import which module? RE module. And after that, I'm saying some m equal to re dot. So what is the name of the function? Match. So I can define the pattern in two ways. I can define the pattern directly by prefixing with what? R. R means what here? Raw string or regular expression pattern. R is nothing but what? Raw string or regular expression pattern. Regular expression pattern. So this is a pattern which I want to search. what pattern I want to search is py. I want to search this pattern py within the string called which one? Python. I want to search the pattern called py within the string called which one? Python. Is it this stringer? Is it this string is begin with the py or not? Yes. So what will it return? Match object. Okay, what will it return? It will return match object is written. See here, match object. And this match object is having the location. So where it is matched here, 0, comma 2. So this will find only at the beginning of the string. Is it your string is begin with the py or not? Yes. And what is the match value here? Py. Suppose if I am writing m equal to re dot match, I am trying to give the regular expression pattern as what? Jy. Okay, jy, and then I said what here? Python. But is it Python is start with the py or jy? Py. But you are searching for which pattern? Jy. So match will find this jy only at the beginning of the string or not? Yes. But is it the string is begin with the py or jy? Py. But you are searching with what here? Jy. So will it return the match object or will it return the none? Return the none. Because is it this pattern is there at the beginning of the string? No. Is it this pattern match at the beginning of the string? No. So what is the value it is written here? None. So you can create a pattern by prefixing with what here? Or you can create a pattern like this also, which is reusable. So I'm saying pattern equal to re dot, what is that? Compile. Re dot compile, what is the pattern I'm creating? Py. So what is the pattern I created? Py. Then I'm saying p dot pattern dot match. Pattern dot match, I'm matching this within the string. Is it this p? P is nothing but what here? Pattern. Which pattern you are matching within the string? Py. So p is it this string is begin with a py or not? Yes. So what is the value it returns? Match object. If it doesn't find, then it returns what here? None. So how many ways can you create the pattern? How many ways can you create a pattern? 2 ways. One is using compile. You can create a pattern in how many ways here? 2 ways. The first one is using which one? Compile. And second one is just giving the prefix as what here? R. Getting on. So 2 ways you can create it. But what is the advantage of compile is once you create a pattern, that pattern can be used either one time or more than one time. But in this case, is it this pattern is reusable? No. But this pattern is what here? Reusable. But this pattern is not reusable, right? So once you create a pattern, that pattern can be used with the match. That pattern can be used with the search. That pattern can be used with what? Substitute. That pattern can be used with what? Split. But in this case, if I want the same pattern should be used with a search, I have to write the same pattern again. If I want the same pattern to be used with the split, I have to define the same pattern what? Again. But in this case, this pattern is created and stored in one object or not? Yes. Pattern is created and stored in one object. Pattern is created and stored in one object, and that is called as which object? Pattern object. And this pattern you are matching with what? String. This pattern you may search within the string. This pattern you may replace within what? String. So I can use the same pattern with multiple methods or not? Yes. But here this pattern is used with how many functions? Only one. But this can be used with multiple methods, but this can be used with how many functions? Only one function. It is used with how many functions here? Only one function. So re dot match will find only at the beginning of the string. And match is a case sensitive, means it finds the difference between uppercase and what? Lowercase. For example, if I'm writing m equal to re dot, okay, match, re dot match, I'm defining the pattern. Okay, what is that pattern I'm defining is py. Okay, py comma Python. So what will happen? You are searching. Match will find anywhere within the string or only at the beginning? Only at the beginning. Is it your string is begin with the py or not? Yes. but you are searching for the pattern which is there in uppercase or lowercase. Uppercase, but your string is begin with what? Lowercase. Is it equal or not equal? Not equal. So what will happen? It will return which object? None object. But if you want to compare by ignoring the case, you can take the help of flags. If you want to compare by ignoring the case, you take the help of which one? Flag. So I'm searching for the py inside which string here? Python, comma re dot. What I'm saying, these are the flags. So there are number of flags out there. Here, see, these are the flags: verbose, dot all, multi-line, local. Okay, what is this here? Ignore case. In the place of re dot, ignore case, I'm saying ignore case. Re dot, ignore case. Re dot, ignore case. You're saying re dot, what is that here? Ignore case. Means, is it comparison is case sensitive or case insensitive? Case insensitive, because it finds the uppercase and lowercase as same or different? Same, right? Because you try to compare it by ignoring what here? Case. So always pattern is a case sensitive, right? If you want to compare it by ignoring the case, you can take the help of one flag. So flag is by using some condition, right? So in the place of ignore case, you can also write match. Okay, r and this is what here? Py. I'm searching py within Python, but I'm searching this py only at the beginning of the string. I'm searching this py only at the beginning of the string. Okay, I just write re dot I. I is nothing but what here? Ignore case. I is nothing but what here? Ignore case. And you can see re dot match object span 0, 2. Is it find or not? Yes. In the place of ignore case, you can simply write which one? I. So I also represent which one here? Ignore case. But this comparison is case. So case is sensitive. But if you want case insensitive comparison, just take the help of which one? Flag. So flag is there. Now re dot ignore case or re dot I, which you can call it as which one? Flag. If 0 or more characters at the beginning of string match the regular expression pattern, return corresponding match object. Otherwise, it will return none if the string does not match the pattern. But here match will find only at the beginning of the string. Match will find only, see, I'll use some special characters, but first you understand the functions. What is a match function? What is a search function? What is find all function? Okay. So if you understand these functions, we'll create patterns with some special, characters. But are we use any special characters in creating pattern? No. We are just searching what your py. Py is nothing but you are searching for a string at the beginning or not? Yes. But is it this is having any special characters? No. But you can also define the pattern by using some special characters. We'll discuss that. See, all these are special characters you have. Backslash a, backslash b, backslash capital W, backslash D, backslash capital W, backslash S. So all these are belongs to that or not? Yes. Now if you see this, okay, patterns. Okay, so patterns, that is square brackets, backslash is there, m comma n, m. See, all these are which one? Special characters. And using the special characters, you are creating which one? Patterns. These are special characters which are used for creating which one? Patterns. Okay, now, right. Let us see this. Okay, let us see another function, and then we'll see all these special characters, how these special characters are used for creating which one? Pattern. So there is a match is there, and there is what here? Search. So match will find only at the beginning of the string, right? Match will find only at the beginning of the string. So match will find only at the beginning of the string. Remember this. Match will find only at the beginning of the string. But when you are talking about search, Okay, scan through the string looking for the first location where the regular expression pattern produces match. Means, is it the search is finding only at the beginning of the string or anywhere within the string? Anywhere. It will scan from left to what? Right. It will search for that particular pattern from left to right. So wherever it find, it will return that location. If it is not find, then it returns what here? None. If it is find, it return the location into which object? Match object. It will return that location into which object? Match object. If it is find anywhere within the string, but it will return only first location. Suppose the same pattern is there in 2-3 times. If the same pattern is there more than one time, will it return all the locations or return only one location? Return only one location, but it doesn't return what? All the locations. It return only one location, but it doesn't return what? All the locations. So scan through the string looking for the first location where regular expression pattern produces a match and return a corresponding which object? Match object, and return none if no position in the string matches what? Pattern. No position in the string matches which one? Pattern, right? So that will return which value here? None. So searching is from beginning to ending, right? So I'm saying, see, we'll see the applications. But first you understand these functions here. So regular expression pattern, I'm just writing, so Python within the, so within, okay. So I'm saying Guido von Rossum is a developer, of which one? Python. Okay. Is a developer of which one? Python. But where I'm searching, what pattern I'm searching? So search is there and there is a find all. So there is a find all is there. I want to return all patterns. I want to return all the patterns. So re dot find all is there. Re dot find all. Re dot find all is there. So return all non-overlapping matches, a pattern in a string as a list of string or tuples. Return all non-overlapping matches or pattern in string as a list of strings or what is that? Tuple. The string is scanned from left to what here? Right. And matches are written in the order found and empty matches are included in the result. Empty matches are included in the result, right? Okay, see here. See, match will find only at the beginning of the string and search will find anywhere within the string, but it will return which occurrence? First occurrence. Okay. But I want to find all the patterns from beginning to what? Ending. All the search patterns I want to return it. Then I can go for which one? Find all. So return all non-overlapping matches of pattern in a string as a list of strings are what?